My friend Chris has already made over $5 million on his trades, and you could learn how to do that in our group. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm joined with Mr. M. How you doing, Mr. M?
Hey, Da Vinci, I'm doing great. Happy to be here. Love your show and your audience, so always good.
Yes, it's always a good time here in the crypto land. Why? Because we have Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a fixed asset. The first time in the history of mankind, we have an asset class that has a fixed number that no one can change. And that is finally being reflected in price. Don't you agree?
I agree. I have been waiting 2024 and 2025 for it feels like forever because the past bear market has been tough, I'm not going to lie. So I can see a lot of great candles for the next 20 months or so.
Yes, the green candles are in our future for a very long time. At least, I mean, if you take a look at the Bitcoin on the yearly chart, there's a lot of green candles there, right? I mean, every 4 years, right? There's only one red candle, and the rest are green. So that's saying something actually for an asset, right? And it has to be that way for the foreseeable future because of its limited supply. And so this is why you should be in this space and buying Bitcoin and other crypto assets. And so, yeah, and the best place to do that, right, is at CoinW, right, .davincij15.com. We're actually going to put together something very special for everybody, a free group, a trading group, right, that only for CoinW members under my affiliate link. And yeah, we're going to be having traders there. We're going to have a whole staff from CoinW helping you guys learn how to trade and manage your trades. And it's all absolutely free, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's going to be super exciting. It's going to be a lot of signals, a lot of trade ideas, and a fantastic community to go and get inspired for when to action a trade. Especially now that, like you said, it's go time. Like it feels like we are going up, which is great. So you want to make sure you have all the right information to place a trade and make some money.
Exactly. So this is a place to be, right? You've got a great exchange to join, and also the support you need, right, in the groups. There's lots of support staff and other people that we're going to be joining this group en masse. All you need is to click on coinw.davincij15.com, sign up, right, under my link, and then boom, you are allowed to join into the group. We're going to be also providing the group link in the description below. They'll ask you can ask the questions. Hey, dude, am I connected to your affiliate link? You can ask there and find out if you can join the group. We're going to be actually joining with guests right today, aren't we?
Yeah, exactly. And guys, please make sure to click only the links you see in Da Vinci's video and do not trust anything else or anybody else. If someone is going to approach you somewhere, God knows where, do not trust anything or anyone. Just click the link in the description, right? Da Vinci, just that's the only one.
Exactly. Because that happens a lot. A lot of people pretend to be me, pretend to be you, pretend to be Carl, or any of my friends, and so it's not them, right? So just understand that we're not reaching out to you directly. You have to come to these videos. You have to click on our links below in order to gain access to our resources. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. We have Dylan here from CoinW. Thanks for joining us. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. And you, thanks so much for having me today. I'm really excited to be here and excited to speak about the topic today.
Awesome. Yes, we're going to be talking about, of course, the Telegram group that CoinW has built, and it's an amazing group that was going to be filled with traders and also the support staff from CoinW. So it's perfect for those people who are a little bit nervous about joining an exchange, and they want to be able to have someone help them with the trades and so forth and ask questions. Well, here it is right here in this group. So why don't you take it away, Dylan, and show people what CoinW is doing for my subscribers, right? And only my subscribers with coinw.davincij15.com.
Yeah, sure. So I just want to run through the process quickly first. So why should you join the group? Well, it's free. You'll receive valuable information for free. We send chart updates and signals every single day. You get instant insights into Da Vinci's thoughts of the markets. You get access to 3 different pro traders online live streams. You can also copy trade us on CoinW. And then you can also be a part of the interactive community of rating your chart and getting help from other professional traders to improve your skills. So yeah, I'm going to run through on how to actually join using DaVinci's link, and then I'll show you how you can get the URD once you've joined, and then you can use that to get access to the Telegram group. Okay. Yeah. So you want to click on the link in the description in order to register a CoinW account. And then once you click on that link, you can click on this page over here and say register. And then you have to make sure that this code is over here. If this code is not over here, then you've clicked on the wrong link and you need to find the new one. Okay, so this is the code that you need to see over here. And all you need to do is just register an account. You can use your phone number or your email. And then once you've registered, you will get access to this page. So this is just the home page of CoinW. And in order to get your URD for the Telegram group, you need to click on next to wallets, your profile over here. You can just copy this URD and then you click on the link in the description for the Telegram group, and then you click join group, and then it'll take you to this verification page. Okay. So all you need to do over here is just copy that URD and paste it in this group over here. And then once you've done that, the support will access you to all of these different channels.
Awesome. The group is going to be, I'm going to put together a quick link. It's going to be a CoinW telegram.davincij15.com. Links will be in the description, of course. It's CoinW telegram.davincij15.com. That'll take you straight to that group.
Nice. I love there are so many subfolders or subgroups into the Telegram, right?
Yeah, I mean, we basically created the group so it makes it a bit easier for people to access. So yeah, I can run through the different channels. It will be very, very quick.
Yeah, it's a little bit different from what most people are used to on Telegram. So you might want to show them how they see all the subgroups, because the subgroups, even I was a little bit shocked by it. So if you could start from the very beginning, how do you get to those subgroups quickly from because it is a subgroup within, it's a group. You see only one group, right, with all the different groups. And then when you click on it, you get to the access to all the other groups there. So there you go. So basically, it looks like a normal group first, and then when you click on it, you see all the subgroups.
Exactly. Yeah. So you want to click on the group, and then once you click over there, it will take you to all of these. We've got 10 different subgroups, and they're all individual groups for different types of reasons. And I'll quickly run through them. It'll be very quick. So the DaVinci update group. So this is where whenever DaVinci posts a YouTube video or any type of update, it will be over here. So you should make sure to log in every day to see what's happening with DaVinci and his YouTube channel. And then the next group is the general chat. So this is a casual space for the community interaction, networking, share stories, experience, and get advice from other crypto enthusiasts. So it's just a general chat. It's almost like a group chat with all different crypto people. Okay. The next group is a signal group. So this is where we post 10 to 15 daily crypto signals on this group. You can see that we have an entry target, your profit levels, and your stop loss. Yeah, obviously, we guide you with the signals to make it a lot easier for you guys to take. Okay. Then the next group is the Rate My Chart. This is for every single person of the community. So members can submit their own trading charts for feedback, constructive criticism, and insights from the community. It's a learning environment to basically improve your chart analysis. So it's open to the whole community. And then daily wins. This is all the wins that you can post over here from the signals. So when we post a signal, once you take it, you can just post your daily wins over here, just to interact with and celebrate your victories of the community.
Awesome. That's lots of fun. I mean, that's a part of the fun is sharing your wins, sharing your successes with when trading. So yeah, this is very important, and I love also the fact that you get to share your trading ideas, right, with everybody, so everybody could participate, and maybe even start learning to trade from yourself. So you can actually help teach other people in the group how to trade by providing your trading charts, what you plan to do, and explaining why you're doing it, or even ask for help and get even better, and so that other people could also learn from how you're learning.
Exactly, yeah. Because the main thing with me, because I've been trading for a long time, and I like educating people so that from the beginning, so they don't have to make the mistakes that I made in the beginning. So I think it's important to have like a type of mentor, because I never had one. So I feel like it does help if you have a mentor from the beginning.
There you go, folks.
Yep.
Yeah. So the next group is the education channel. So this is a detailed channel for trading, education, and learning. We have tutorials on how to use CoinW, tutorial guides on how to trade. So you can see we have videos over here, and then we also have, you can learn from each of these videos. And there's a lot of posts that we post every day here, and it's also just general updates on like crypto and the market. And then the next channel is Pro Trader Charts. So this is exclusive charts analysis from our CoinW traders. We dive deep into the market trends and potential trading opportunities. So you can see our updated like levels for today, just so you guys are aware of like where Bitcoin might go within today. We post it every single day, and also we have traders across the world. So we cover pretty much every single time zone. So it's almost like a 24-hour group. So
Yeah, so no matter where you are, you'll have access to some traders and actually some information that will help you with your trades every single day. So it's a great resource to be a part of, and it's absolutely free. All you have to do is head over to coinw.davincij15.com. Right, links are in the description and in the pinned comment. So yeah, go ahead and do that and gain access to massive amount of resources that most exchanges don't even have.
Exactly. And Dylan is going to be there, right? So now we have a face on the name, which is awesome.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm excited for this. It's a good opportunity to help out at DaVinci as well. Okay, so the next part is the CoinW updates. So this is basically just what's ever happening within CoinW. So if there's a new coin that's listing, we'll post it over here. And then also bonuses. You can see there's a Valentine's Day bonus of $2,000. All you need to do is just sign up, through an invite link. So you can use DaVinci's link and then make a $20 trade, and then you can have the possibility of splitting a $2,000 cash prize pool. So there's always going to be bonuses coming up here. You can see every single day we post on this group as well. Yeah, the next group is the live trading session. So this is where myself, Boris, and Tango, the CoinW traders, we do live sessions every day. We also do live scalping sessions twice a week. So that's when we actually trade live with the whole community and try to get people to learn from our trading styles and trade with the community. We do it for like 1.5 hours on a Monday and 1.5 hours on a Wednesday. This is something you should look at. And the last group is support. So support is basically just direct access to a responsive support team ready to solve your issues and efficiently. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole group.
Yeah, awesome. Maybe I will join you guys on the live trading sessions that you guys do. I think what is it? What time do you guys usually do it on Mondays?
So Mondays it's 6 p.m. Dubai time.
Okay, awesome. I think I might be able to do that. 6:30 p.m. So yeah, that's another bonus, right? If you guys join that group, I'll be in that trading. I'll probably be in that trading group, that live session trades with you guys, if you don't mind me joining you.
That'll be amazing. Right? Yeah, that would be awesome.
All right, awesome. I'm glad to be there. All right. So thank you for joining us, Dylan, right? And showing us what everyone can gain access to. This is a huge resource. And you know what? I really appreciate CoinW for putting this together for me and my community, especially. It's gone. You guys have gone above and beyond which I could ever expect. And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
No worries. That's all.
Awesome. Yeah, indeed. It's going to be very helpful for people that have either Uber experience or little experience, because they will be taking care of all the questions they have. They'll be given free signals. So it's like a community. Yeah, it's really awesome. I love the idea as well. Well done.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me on. I do appreciate being with you guys today. To the moon.
Nice.
Well, that was amazing to see all the different resources that are available if you're just a member of the coinw.davincij15.com group, right? And you could be a part of that just by signing up And you don't even have to, you don't even have to deposit any money. You don't have to do KYC. You don't have to do AML, right? And by the way, KYC and AML, you know what those are, right?
Know your customers, put the documents.
Yes, exactly. And AML stands for anti-money laundering, where they want to know, okay, where'd that money come from? Yeah, it's annoying. It's annoying. So you could actually join this group and just watch. Just be part of it, right? By just signing up at CoinW and then watch what people are doing, right? And see if you could actually do that yourself. I think just doing that is worthwhile. If you're still nervous about trading, buying crypto, yeah, just come in and take a look at what we're doing here in this group that CoinW has put together. It is an awesome thing, and you get to be a part of a big community that is growing. Right?
Yeah, indeed, it's super.
Don't you agree?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we appreciate you guys coming out to watch our show. We're going to be doing a live show tomorrow. Make sure that you're a part of that live show because, man, we did one on the moon show, and boy, was it ever fun! Right?
Indeed. Yeah. Always fun with you, Da Vinci.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to do the same thing on Sunday, and I'm looking forward to it. So see you guys on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, head over to Mr. M's podcast. Also subscribe there, and we'll see you guys on the next time.
Cheers.